Hi there guys, in this video we're going to discuss top-down analysis of the New Zealand crosses, starting with New Zealand Canadian. We have a bit of bullish movement on the monthly, as we can see over here. Higher lows being established, even higher highs. Um, there should be a bit of, we're just not sure here. We might see some retracement on the P, but the P is definitely going to hit that level of 93.18 if everything works well. We don't assume anything, but we wait for the market to tell us where it wants to go. In terms of the weekly, we see higher highs and higher lows on the P going up, and then I don't know what that line is doing there. Sorry. And then we find that the 4 hour is also in a bullish movement. We have about, let me just measure what that is, 150 pips to the resistance level, which the market might go to. And if it does, we'll have to see what it does from the this is probably not the best example, or the trade is not the best trade for me personally. So I wouldn't really take a trade here. Nothing is really set up yet, so we will just continue watching that one. Just go down. The next one that we're going to look at is the New Zealand franc. New Zealand franc is its retracement level at, what is that, 64.13. Here we have the monthly showing a big downtrend. It retraced, but then tried to go lower, but then there was a big move to the upside, strong bullish move to the upside on that candle, which telling me the buyers are really pushing hard to get the price higher, and it went right to that resistance level. In terms of the 4 hour, we see that movement there as well. Higher highs being made on the top side of the 4 hour, and then higher lows as well. On the weekly. On the 4 hour, we see that the 4 hour probably would have presented something nice, something that potentially we could have taken. I just want to see if that was true. No, it wasn't. You must excuse me, having a late night. So there was no real opportunity here. The market didn't really set up 100%. We will, however, see there's a good chance that the trade will take off. Well, we'll have to see what the market does at this level of resistance now. If it does go higher and the market takes off, then we have a potential for trade there, but nothing at the moment really. New Zealand yen is the next one. Again, very similar, because we're talking about the New Zealand. One thing you will find is just because all of them are moving the same doesn't mean all of them are going to give you the same result. So you want to take a trade that sets up perfectly. Okay, again, same scenario here. Strong downtrend, bullish movement. There's that strong movement to break the high, so that is no longer retracement, but a start of a potentially new trend. So once we have a second high being made here, and there's possibly pullback, and the price then continues, then the trend would be established. It's already the case here with one pullback on the price for the weekly. Opportunities on the week, or rather on the 4 hour, to get in not as such, not as yet. Also, we at that strong resistance level, so we just have to be careful what we do there. And I'd rather wait for the price to go above, pull back, and then continue. Or if it does go down, maybe take a trade from the support level here. Okay, but again, nothing is in line yet. Okay. Last New Zealand trade, New Zealand crosses the New Zealand to the US dollar. Same scenario here, breaking the previous high, the price very strongly, so that again indicates strong movement to the upside. We see it on the weekly as well. Again, a bit of consolidation, I would say, around that area. Okay. It's just enlarge this. Let me see a fuller picture. Yeah, some consolidation moving just up and down here, not really going anywhere. Potential there to, yeah, that was an opportunity there. So in terms of the New Zealand doesn't look like it wants to set up for anything at this moment. So we just eagerly wait. I hope this helps, and check out some of the other videos. You want to be in contact with us? I'll leave details on how you can do that at the end of this video.